The conundrum of managing risk. In my views, risk is perhaps the least understood concept within investor circles. All risk is, in a sense, is exposing ourselves to loss or harm. Managing risk means that we are aware of the dangers we face when we invest. Not understanding risk is probably, if not the most common, way that investors end up making terminal mistakes that causes mental and financial stress. One of the lessons of being successful is that you will at some point lose money. It really just depends on how much and how quickly. The better risk management is applied, the better you will ultimately make and get the results you want. It's not a secret that investors just starting out are more at risk of blowing up their accounts, merely for the fact that they have little experience in knowing how to manage their own financials. Getting caught up in short-term bubbles, over-leveraging, over-exposing are all ways which shows a level of extremism when investing. So applying a basic level of risk management to your portfolio is important. These can be things such as diversifying, only risking what you can afford to lose. And I'm going to have to repeat this, only risking what you can afford to lose. Doing your own due diligence, speaking to management, having long-term and short-term investment pots. All these things can help to mitigate your losses when the market goes by minimizing your losses, you minimize the emotional toll you take on through your investing. That's key to remaining objective and not to invoke strong emotional responses, which end up sending us into extreme decision making. This is why I refer to experience as the only way one can learn and ultimately profit from investing. You iron out extremities and create flow of consistency. By bridging consciousness to these areas, can help to manage times where the market are not making sense. Good investing remains around being objective and emotionally distanced from what happens. The only way this can be applied is through understanding risk. So the question I put to you, how do you risk manage, if at all? How important do you think this is to your own success? Thank you and see you in the next episode.